Jim, I had an auto accident with a vehicle that I was leasing. When I took it back to the dealership, they told me that they didn't want the car and it's worth less than what I thought it would be. So what do I do?
Yeah, this is what happens. A lot of times the vehicles are damaged so badly and they're still repairable that they're never worth what they were after they were fixed. In other words, the lease car company doesn't want that previously wrecked vehicle back or the repaired vehicle back because it's worth less money than it's supposed to be if you returned it without having been in an accident. And you're entitled to a diminished value for that because that vehicle is worth less now than it was before the accident, even after it's fixed. Again, another reason why gap insurance would have come in handy in this case. But you're also entitled to a diminished value from the defendant's insurance company. In other words, the fellow who hit you, the person who hit you, his insurance company for diminished value.
I think a lot of people think that if they have insurance and they total their car, the insurance company is going to pay their car off. But that's not the way it happens.
No, it's not. Unfortunately, that is not true. And more, and I see clients that owe more on their car than the car is actually worth. And boy, there's nothing more disconcerting than to have a horrible accident, be without your vehicle because it's totaled out, and then find out that you still owe $2,000 or $3,000 on the car that you don't even have anymore. Mm-hmm. You know, it's bad enough to zero out at it, but what do? You have no down payment, you still owe money on the other car. So what most people do is they end up in another deal where they add that to the price of a new car, and they're even further upside down in a new vehicle. It's a very unfortunate situation, and gap insurance would help with that a great deal. It would clear that. It would clear the slate at least.